But that's not the interesting part. The interesting part is how you can make your own strategy using AI to run off and hopefully make you a lot of money. Okay, so let me demo that. Let me show you exactly how this thing works. We have this brand new back testing feature in here that's really, really cool too. Shows trading view charts and all that kind of stuff. I think you're going to love this. So first of all, I'm going to click on create strategy using AI. I'm going to click on that button. And then when I click on that button, you'll see here that I have basically the ability to select either, some pre-made prompts, right? So here's one I really like personally is make a bot that trades TQQQ based on the 200-day moving average filter, buy TQQQ when the price is above the 200-day moving average and sell when it is below. That's one that I really like, so I'm going to click on that. But you could actually modify this as well. You could change it, if you don't want 200-day moving average, say 100-day moving average, or you could literally just write something completely different, right? You could say, make a bot that trades call options on, whatever, name a stock, on Google or whatever. You can basically just type it out. It can make these strategies for you automatically using AI. What it does is basically it goes off to an AI that's specifically trained for making trading strategies and then generates Python code, and you can actually run that Python code to actually do all these things for you automatically. It's really, really cool. So let's click on this one again. Make a bot that trades TQQQ. Right, this one I've actually back tested a bunch of times. It back tests really well. It actually runs really well too. We'll hit generate strategy. Okay, and we'll just wait a little bit. You see that there's a countdown timer, or count up timer, I should say. It takes a few seconds for this thing to finish up. So we see here that's working. So here it came back with some code. This is pretty amazing. If you know a little bit about Python programming, you know that this could be quite a bit of work like this, right? Okay, cool. Now, what's really cool, and this is a brand new feature that was just added, is the ability to back test this. Now, normally to back test a strategy, and if you don't know what back testing is, it's basically simulating how this thing would have done historically, right? So this thing is buying TQQQ on its 200-day moving average. How would that have worked over the past couple years? Right, well, we can learn that by back testing. This is kind of a good way to figure out, is this a good strategy or not? The back test comes back really good. That's an indication that this could be a very good strategy. Doesn't always mean it's a good strategy, but a lot of times it's a good indication of that. If the back test comes back bad, well, then you know this thing probably sucks, right? Like if you can, it's like there's like gates you want to go through, right? You want to first write your strategy, make sure you get a good back test. Once you have a good back test, you want to run it for a while with fake money. And then once that's good, then you want to run it with real money. That's kind of the gates that we take strategies through. Okay. So the first gate is we want to do the back test. So let's click on back test strategy. Again, it's a brand new interface here. This is really cool. This actually, you used to have to do this manually, right? You'd have to like move this code over and run the code